as we mentioned, that we're going to be discussing a variety of topics today, and we got people already lined up with emails and questions ready for you, and glad to have you here. So we're going to go ahead and take our first call, and that call comes from Anita. Welcome to LawCall, Anita.
Yes, my question is regarding a car accident. It was just a fender bender, and this person did not have insurance, and no license, and it was her fault. Now, since that accident, she has gotten her license, and now the insurance company is calling and threatening her that they can take her license away from her if she doesn't pay for the accident, or she is disabled and she has no income. And I was just checking to see, is that the case?
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, so Mississippi does have financial responsibility law, and I've had this happen before where an individual, and in this case, is on the road, doesn't have insurance, doesn't have a license, ends up causing an accident, and then what happens is that other person's insurance will step in, they make a payment on behalf of their insured, but then that insurance company goes back after the at-fault person, what they call subrogation, to get their money back. And if the person doesn't have insurance or doesn't have the means to satisfy the judgment, the insurance company will contact the state and say, basically, they owe this judgment. They're at fault. They didn't have the financial responsibility to pay, and they can have their license suspended. Now, usually the response is, well, if you don't let me have my license, I can't go to work. So how am I going to pay the judgment? A lot of times you can work it out with them, and they'll give you, it's kind of like a temporary license or an operating privilege. But technically, yes, you can get your license suspended.
Okay, all right, good information there.